Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Dalia Mausig from Philippines. I'm 41 years old, a mother of an 18-year-old boy. I graduated 2 years vocational course in hotel and restaurant management. I had work experience from year 2000 to 2001 as a sales lady in vegetable market. I also worked here in Philippines as a helper for 6 months. I also had an work experience abroad for 9 years in one employer with 7 members, 2 adults ages 47 and 43 years old, and 5 children ages 14, 12, 10, 8, and 6 years old. My duties and responsibilities in their family are cooking, housekeeping, laundry, and taking care of the kids. Madam and sir, I am able to work in your family with respect, patience, and good communication. I am willing to follow all your rules and regulations at home. I am responsible, hardworking, kind, and also I love kids. Madam and sir, I am willing to learn more about my duties and responsibilities at home. I am now here in Philippines looking for new employer. Thank you and God bless.